Pam, Dave. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, are we having fun at the beach?
Yeah!
Which beach are we at?
At
A sandy one, a white sandy one. Clearwater Beach. There we go. Seagull. Go in and see Eileen. Nowhere else I'd rather be. Hi, Pam. Got smacked in the back. Hi, Pam. You enjoying yourself? Huh? Oh, you're more likely to encounter dolphins than sharks here. There's Eileen out there. I said there's Eileen out there. Ooh, this water is rough today for the Gulf. Slapped in the chest. I think all of our happy place. Here. Come over here, huh? Come over here. Do a selfie. Come here. Come here. Come on, get him. There we go. Okay, let's do a selfie. Let's talk to the camera.
Is it video?
Yeah, it's video. It's video. Yes. Are you going to look?
Yeah.
What are we going to say?
Cheers to family!
What?
Here we are at Clearwater Beach, having fun in the sun.
May
Come and join
30th,
us.
May 30th, 2024. While they're slogging away at work, we're here at the beach on a Thursday with family. So